guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a private page on your GoDaddy website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your GoDaddy website builder and you'll get right here. You can see this is a test website that I'm creating. So I'll show you how to create a private page. Once you get to your website right here, this is my website. So we're going to go to the website option right here. You can see at this side of your screen, we have website, theme, and setting. You're going to click on website. Then we have site navigation. It's showing me all of the pages that I already have on my website. To create a new page, you're going to click on this plus button. Then you're going to give your page a name. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a test page. Once you have selected it, then we have a new page, a link to external website, or a drop down menu. So it's going to be a new page. Then we have page title. So we added this one. Then we have show in navigation, show in folder, and then we have private page, this option right here at the bottom. So we're going to switch on this option. When it's blue, when it's enabled, that means this page is going to be private. So I have enabled this option and I'm not going to show it in navigation. So I'm going to click on create page and a private page will be created on GoDaddy website. So you can see it's a private page. It has a lock right here and also has a hidden button. So you can see this is a private page on GoDaddy website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.